People want to stay stuck on debating the historicity of the Bible. I give you the ancient teachings to show you what it was meant to do before religion. The purpose is to clear your mind of the negative, limiting beliefs that were given to you for mind control that ends up shaping your world in a way you don't want. You hate life and still want to debate. This is what debate does to you physically, mentally, and emotionally, which keeps you locked into a mental pattern. Debate automatically puts you in a mental state of feeling threatened. You feel attacked because beliefs that you hold dear are threatened. We want to fight to hold on to those beliefs, but it unlocks the chemical cortisol that triggers a stress response in your body. Metaphysically, the stress response keeps you locked into a low vibrational state that keeps your mind tuned to negative shit. Because of your vibrational state of being, your mind is literally magnetized and can only accept the negative crap happening in the world, even though there is also much that is positive. In other words, you sow the seed of negativity, plant it in the soil of a negative mind, and the fruit is a negative world. The ancients symbolized and personified the concepts of Osiris, Isis, and Horus. The Bible gave you Lazarus, Martha, and Jesus. Keep debating if you want to. I'll teach those that are ready. And block the MFs that want to keep debating. Debaters just don't get it. IG, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and these platforms essentially shadow ban my content because it can offend many of their advertisers. I don't cry about it. I've learned to create my own way. It's what I do. It's what I teach others. It's a mindset of gods and goddesses in training. I will be moving the bulk of my content to my own platform at www.kclcommunity.com. It's free for positive people to join. No one or any platform will not limit me. I am a creator, not a debater. I will use the platforms, but they won't use me. If you are not the customer, you are the product.